Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token price today. VVS Finance have continued to show more support again today. We can see that VVS Finance, in terms of Tectonic token volume, VVS Finance are now controlling about 65% of Tectonic token. I think this VVS Finance are really showing a lot of support. Since over 4 months right now, VVS Finance have been controlling the largest part of Tectonic volume over Crypto.com. Although Crypto.com are the one that hosted Tectonic token. It's a good one to see that another exchanger is even dominating, controlling a coin that is not hosted by them, by another exchanger. I think this shows that by the time top exchangers can come in, we are going to see a massive increase in Tectonic market cap, volume, and price, because I believe that the top exchangers like Kucoin, like Get.io, these people can continue, they can control a lot. And finally, if Binance can really come in and then Coinbase can also come in, I believe Tectonic token will experience a massive increase on Tectonic token volume. We will be seeing Tectonic token hitting over $1 million or $2 million constant daily volume. Okay, it's only once that Tectonic token actually hit about $2 million on a single day. And since then, the Tectonic token have found it difficult to reach that mark. And I still believe very soon we'll be seeing Tectonic token hitting about 10 million to 20 million trading volume. With such volume, definitely Tectonic token is going to increase in price because what we need here is for Tectonic holders to actually make some profit with Tectonic tokens. Most people invest in order to make at least 100% of the investment, and I believe, of course, Tectonic token can really hit that level. Deleting 1.0 or hitting back at its all-time price will definitely give us over 500% increase in price, and I believe very soon we are going to see Tectonic token hitting massive level. VVS Finance showing great support. I'm happy to see this. I still hope that other exchanges can also come in to support this coin. But please remember, even though you decide to invest on this coin or any other coin you mentioned here, remember to invest on what you can afford to lose, because this is a crypto industry where anything can happen. Yes, and also remember that this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.